How to fix your TCL soundbar in case it's not working properly. Step number one, in case you're having issues, I always suggest you go ahead and unplug it from the power source on the back. So go ahead, remove it and stay like this during at least 2 minutes. Then connect it back and try to see if the error has disappeared and it's able to work. If you're still having problems with your soundbar, the other thing that I suggest is that you do a factory reset. So let me show you how it is done. There are many models and many different ways on how to do it. I'll show you 2 different ways and one of them will work. So if you have one of the latest one that has an LED bar on the top, what you need to do, step number 1, is to turn off your soundbar. Make sure it's turned off or in standby mode. Whoops, sorry. Okay, now it's turned off. Then remove every single connected devices, okay, from the HDMI port, optical or USB port. Just keep the power cable in. Next, we'll have to hold the power button, the volume down button, the volume up button at the same time during 10 seconds until the LED bar on the top stops flashing. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm holding these 3 buttons and I will stay like that. The LED will start blinking after 10 seconds and I will only release once it has finished. Okay, it starts blinking. I will stay like that. It will do a small dance there. Perfect. Now you can release. The soundbar has been factory resetted. All you have to do at this point is to turn it on normally by pressing the power button. Sometimes it takes a few times, especially after a factory reset. Here we go. It's now turning on and you can use it by connecting it to your TV. When you have small issues with your soundbar, before doing a factory reset, I always suggest you unplug it from the power cable. So simply pull it, wait 2 minutes and plug it back. Many times when it's a software issue, this small trick will help you without having to do a factory reset. Now, if your soundbar is different than mine, maybe yours has a display on the front and this technique didn't work for you, what you can do is to turn off your TCL soundbar. Now, take the remote control of the TCL soundbar and hold the play pause button during 5 seconds. Okay, hold it like this and you're gonna get a menu appearing on the display where you'll be able to select factory reset and do it. This is not the model that works this way. It works the way I showed you, but some models you absolutely need to do this, especially if you have a display. Now, if you're still having issues and the issue is that it cannot even connect to the wireless sub or wireless speakers that you have, let me show you how to connect them manually so that you can enjoy your TCL soundbar. Step number 1, I always suggest before starting to unplug both of these from the power source from the power cable over here during at least 5 seconds and then plugging them back. This is simply to start fresh. So same thing on the back of the sub. Go ahead, unplug it, wait 5 seconds and then connect it back. Now we need to put both of these into pairing mode. So how is it done? Well, on the back of the sub, you're gonna notice there is a pair button. Keep it pressed. And after 5 seconds, it will start flashing. Simply release the pair button, let it sit. On the soundbar itself, turn it on. And now find the source selector button, this one, and keep it pressed 10 seconds. The source selector is the box with an arrow pointing inside. Wait. Okay, after 10 seconds, it will flash a few different colors. And then once you see the green color, you can release. This means that it has been connected to the soundbar. And as you see, the light will stop flashing on the subwoofer, yeah, to say that both of them are connected. So again, just be patient, and if it's not working still after doing this, remove the power cable on both of them and wait at least 2 minutes just to make sure that the energy has been completely drained from the two devices, and start again by putting the sub into pairing mode first, and then by pressing the source selector 10 seconds. Keep it pressed until you see the green color, or if your model has a display on the front, it will say something like subwoofer paired, something of this kind. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.